I don't know where they're taking me, but my daughter-in-law said to dress fancy. This is me dressed fancy. I'm gonna take a quick intro just in case I have footage to share, because my children are taking me out tonight for my 60th birthday. And this is my surprise. I don't even know where we are, but we're at a train station. And we're getting on a train. My kids are here, and Becca, who's like my adopted kid, more like my support and friend, but she's my kid today. Here, that's where we are.
You have your gold tickets with you. Yes.
Bean, you have tickets?
Proceed to the platform now. Lounge car, far end. Dining car, right here. Are you dining or lounge? We're Beaver?
Yeah, they're following this. You know, that's a different.
We got upgraded to the Beaver car, but we're going to tour the whole train at the end.
Step, please.
Watch your step. There are several steps. No fall. Back up. Back up. Steps. Steps.
Oh my goodness.
Would you like a bench or would, I mean, I guess they're both windows.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yes.
Unless someone has a preference about where we sit on the train.
I'm here with my date, Becca.
Whoa now.
We got the tapas plate that is part of our package. This is lovely. Never.
The men's room.
Two tickets or two men?
2 men.
Just tickets. Here's a ticket for one of them.
I'm not going to go in the men's room and check that it's really them.
Scouts on. Scouts on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then this is for one of the
The train just started moving, and one of my sons was in the bathroom as it started with a jerk. So we want to
I'm sure he's
we want to see what he looks like when he comes out.
Cheesecake, that's coming. Okay, whenever you want it, actually, I can bring it out. I just don't really like here, so.
My goodness, whenever we want.
Whenever you want your
Cheesecake on demand. What more can you ask for?
Usually we wait until we're coming back, but there's hardly anybody on this run, so if you want your cheesecake now, you certainly can have cheesecake now.
place has everything.
You know what I mean? So whenever you want it, you just let me know and I can bring it out. You're welcome.
This has been wonderful. It is so ornate and fancy, and the crew serving us have been just lovely. What a great way to celebrate.
So you can't walk that way.
Oh, well, we could.
It might be burger. You know that.
The lady invited us to come and walk through the train. You can't see out the windows much. Once in a while a house goes by and you just see the lights. Look at this. Oh, here's the bathroom.
Stable house. Get over here.
There you go.
This is pretty cool. Look at
You're gonna
this.
be bruised by the time you're done.
I thought y'all weren't supposed to be reading.
Oh, that's the
It's the really
locomotive in front of us. She said that we could walk up and look out this door. Holy Toledo. Is that not cool?
And that is a stable house.
You're like chronic vertigo.
All right, all my kids are behind me, so I'm turning around. Gonna look in the bathroom again one more time here. I'm gonna use this.
You're like, what are you, drunk? Like, no, I mean.
All right, I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna turn this off. This is all
Everything was out. It was already ready.
freestanding furniture. Turn your flashlight on.
I'm gonna put a hanger from where that clamp is for the Tennessee Bridge.
This whole car is filled with all of these. My son's flashlight is shining, but this, all right, turn them off now. But this whole car is filled with dozens of these
Thanks, Dave.
You're welcome.
antique pieces of furniture. Should we go look at the engine now?
They're gonna bring us cheesecake.
Oh, they're gonna bring us cheesecake. We're staying here. The train. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm standing up. The train stopped. There's a piano down here. There's a piano down here. Can you imagine if someone was playing this piano? We're stopped, and the train is going to start going back the other way any second.
Too dark. It's too dark.
And
She just walked out very confident, very happy.
I'm going to walk down this way again. They're supposed to do some kind of coupling. And there's the powerhouse, the motor, the engine that's going to start pushing us back. Uh-oh, it's gonna start going. I'm gonna stay standing here. Whoa. The bathroom door just slammed shut. Here we go. The train's pushing. The engine's pushing us. We're moving. This is so much fun. Oh, they're bringing us cheesecake now.
Now
There's their
just take your break.
cheesecake. Oh no. Oh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday. Anymore, make a wish. Yay. Thank you.
Yay.
Is this Bristol? Or Devil's Claw?
pulling into the station. What a great trip
My
this
son
was.
loves trains. He works down here, and he has one of those straight down to the other cars. There might be a little bit of a wait till you get through because it's skinny hallways.
Thank you so much.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, this was amazing. What a great idea. This was a great time. My kids are awesome.
I'm sorry. You can continue on. It looks like it's clear.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good night. Take care. Thank you. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
This is how you eat it, huh?
Oh, I think there was a wedding in here. People with tuxedos were walking out.
But like, is it so?
People came
It's like a
and
different vibe for now.
this was their space. Isn't this awesome? You too, thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much. It was amazing.
So glad.
I don't know where I'm going.
The other end of the train.
Somewhere. We'll find something somewhere. That's something.
It's getting colder. Here we go.
Yes, brace yourself. Bye-bye.
Thank you. This was an awesome surprise. And what a treat. I appreciate you all coming along as well. Please make sure you're subscribed and give this video a like. And until next time, bye for now.